Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making vanilla slices. In 2 baking trays I have some shop bought puff pastry. I have cut them down to the size of my cake tin. I'm now going to cover them with another tray on top and bake in the oven for 20 minutes. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees. In my saucepan I'm going to add sugar, corn flour and custard powder. I'm going to turn it on to a medium heat and gradually add in my milk. I'm now going to also add in some double cream . Now my custard has thickened, I'm going to add in butter and vanilla extract. Now that it has gone smooth and my butter has melted and my vanilla is mixed in, I'm going to remove it from the heat. Now I'm going to add 3 egg yolks. I'm now going to leave it to one side to cool down. I have lined my tin with tin foil. I have also made it go over the edge so it's easier to pick up. I'm now going to trim my puff pastry down to the size of my cake tin. It should fit inside. To do the same thing with the top sheet. I'm now going to add in my custard. Finally, I'm going to add the top. I'm now going to put it in the fridge for 6 hours until it has set. In my bowl, I'm going to mix together icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have taken my custard slices out the fridge. I'm now going to remove them from the mould. Going to take my icing and spread it over the top of my slices. Finally, I'm going to cut my slices up. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.